guys, your girl Trish. Welcome back to my channel for another video. So today's video, I wanted to give you guys a shower tour, and I wanted to show you guys what's in my shower, simply because I've changed up my shower and it's a little different. I haven't done this on my channel before, so I figured let me just do what's in my shower, show you guys a little shower tour since I've changed up my shower since the last time you guys saw it. So yes, before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel if you guys would like to see beauty, hygiene, and lifestyle related content, and be sure to hit that bell so you guys are notified each and every time I upload a new video. So let's hop right on into it. So this is what my bathroom looks like. We're in my bathroom at the moment. I showed you guys this shelf when I did my hygiene organization shelf. These pictures. This is the mirror. So we're gonna get into the shower. Alright y'all, so initially when you open up my shower, this is the first thing that you see, and I have an overhead hanging shower caddy. So at the bottom I just keep some of my shower some of my loofah balls, or my loofahs. I keep two bar spools right here. These loofahs down here, this one is from Marshall's, Kroger's, and Target. And I have two soap bars right here. So both of those are actually Caress. I have 3 of my Onyx foaming body scrubs right here, and then at the very top I have my in shower body lotion. So I have the regular one from Nivea, I have the cocoa butter one from Nivea, and then I have the Olay one. And then over here I have 2 shower shells. All my shower shells will be linked down in my description box in my Amazon storefront, because all of them are from Amazon. So right here I have 2 right here. So I have 2 Olay body washes right here. I have the exfoliating I have the, what is this one? This is the Himalayan salt and pink grapefruit one. And then I have the cleansing and firming and collagen one. And then I have a Neutrogena shower gel right here. This is the one that's in Ocean Mist. And then in the front, I have my little 2 silicone body brushes that I love to use. I got those from Amazon as well. They will be listed down in the description box. And then here, I just keep some of my Bath & Body Works shower gels. I do have a lot more. I only keep 6 in my shower at a time because I don't like to have too many in here. The 6 I have in here right now is Bonfire Bash, 1000 Wishes Beachfront Blanket. I have Triple Berry Martini. This one right here is Raspberry Jam Donut. And then this is Coconut Cream Pie. And then I keep a Dove. This is my Dove Unscented Bar. This is what I use to clean my downstairs area. And then I have 2 more shower shells right here, also from Amazon. These ones are longer and wider than the smaller ones. I have a African exfoliating cloth right here that I got from my local African store. So on this shelf, I keep my Caress body washes, and I have 6 of them up here. I do have 2 more. No, I have 1 more that's not on the shelf, but it's in my beauty room. So the first one I have is Charcoal and Pink Lotus. This one is Lotus and Copaiba Oil. This one is the Peony and Almond Blossom. This one is the Tahitian Pomegranate and Coconut Milk. This one is the Shea Butter and Brown Sugar. And this one, of course, is the infamous Daily Silk. And then on this shelf right here, I just keep some of my Tree Hut body scrubs and some of my Dove body polishes. And so on this one, I have Eucalyptus Blossom. I have Frosted Sugar Cookie, Tropic Glow, Desert Haze, Vitamin C, Exotic Bloom. For the Dove exfoliating polishes, I have Crushed Macadamia and rice milk. This one is the Colloidal and Oatmeal one, and this one is the brown sugar and coconut butter one. And then on the sides, I just have 2 more Dove bars. So this is the cream oil one, and this one is the exfoliating one. And over here, I just have 2 more shelves, and it's the same as those 2. On these 2, I have some Method body washes, and then I have some of my Philosophy body washes here. So I have, on this one, I do have 2 more of the Method body washes, but of course it's on my hygiene shelf in my beauty room. This one is the Stay Hydrated one. I have the Energy Boost one. This one is the Deep Detox one. This one is Wind Down, and then this one here is Berry Balance. And then down here, I do have 3 of my Philosophy body washes here. I have Fresh Cream and Mint, Paradise Girl, and then Pink Frosted Animal Cracker. So I don't know if you notice, the stuff that I have in here are things that I gravitate towards most of the time when I'm not doing like a specific scent shower routine. So I just have some things in here so that I'm not always running in my beauty room. And then back here, I do have a corner shelf. I'm not going to show you guys the second shelf because the second shelf is for my fiance. His poor little shelf just looks so lonely because he literally only has 4 products on it. But on my very top shelf, I have 3 of my Nivea body washes. This one is the Care and Cashmere. This one here is the Orange and Bamboo Milk. And then this one is just a regular one. This is Cream Soft. And then in the front, I have 3 OGX body washes. I have the Coconut Coffee one. Then I have the Shea Soft and Smooth. And then this one right here is the Coconut Oil one. And then down here, I just keep some more of my African sponges. I do have plenty of colors because I love, when I say I love these little cloths, I love taking a shower with these cloths. My favorite like shower tools are these things, right? These exfoliation cloths, and then of course my body brushes over here. I love taking a shower with these two, with these things right here. So of course I have a yellow one, I have a green one, I have a magenta one. It's coming off red on the camera, but it's actually magenta. And then I have like an olive one back here, and of course this brown one right here. And then down here, I just have 2 more body washes. I have the St. Ives Oatmeal, the Oatmeal and Shea Butter body wash, and then I have the Dove Deep Moisture body wash. And then back here, I just keep some of our wash rags. So I have, this is mine. This is the one that I use for my downstairs area, of course. And then this one is my fiance's washcloth. And that is it for my shower, you guys. This is literally what my shower looks like. When I get bored, I change my products out. But other than that, this is what it's looking like right now. Alright y'all, so that is it for this video. I know it wasn't that long. I just wanted to show you guys what I had in my shower and give you guys a quick little shower tour. And yes, be sure to check out my Amazon storefront because all of my shower shells and my body brushes are listed in my Amazon storefront. Now, I do get a little commission if you guys decide to use to purchase anything from my storefront or whatever. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I showed you guys a few little tips on how to organize your shower if you want to organize your shower. And yes, please don't leave here without subscribing to my channel and giving this video a big thumbs up. And also follow me on my TikTok, y'all, because I'm always doing shower talks and different like hygiene videos and stuff like that. So be sure to follow me on TikTok. It's listed down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.